In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a compressed software zip file on Stan Store. We'll walk through the full process, from setting up the product to uploading your zip file so your customers can download it instantly after purchase. First, log into your Stan Store account. On the left-hand side, look for the menu and click on My Store. This will open your store dashboard, where you can see your store header and any products you've already created. To add a new software product, click on Add Product. Stan will show you several product types you can sell. Since we're uploading software in a zip file, choose Digital Product. You'll now be in the product editor. On the right, you'll see a live preview of how your product will appear to customers, and in the center, you'll see all of your product settings. Let's start with the thumbnail section. This is the first thing people see, so it's worth spending a bit of time here. Choose a thumbnail style. You can pick from button, callout, or preview, depending on how you want it to look. Then click Choose Image. You can either select from the built-in image options inside Stan Store, or click Upload Image to pick a custom graphic from your computer. A clean logo or simple product mockup usually works best. Next, add your software title. Make it clear and specific so people understand what they're getting right away. Under that, add a short subtitle that explains what the software does in one sentence. Then edit the button text. Keep this very short, 1 to 3 words, and use an action verb like download, get access, or start now. When you're happy with the thumbnail and basic info, click Next. Now you're on the checkout page settings. Again, you can add or change the image here by clicking Choose Image and either selecting from Stan's options or uploading your own. Below that, write your description. This is where you should include the software's main features, any system requirements, and a brief overview of the installation steps. The editor supports rich text, so you can format your text and even add images, videos, or links if you need to. Scroll down and edit the bottom title and the main call to action button on the checkout page so they match your offer clearly. Then set your price. Enter the regular price of your software. If you want to offer a discount, toggle on the discount option and enter the discounted amount in the field that appears. Next, customize the information you collect from customers. By default, name and email are required and cannot be removed. If you need more details, click Add Field. You can add options like phone number, short text fields, multiple choice, drop-downs, or checkboxes. Only collect what you really need so you don't overwhelm buyers. Now it's time to upload your compressed software zip file. Find the upload section, click Upload, and a file browser will pop up. Navigate to the location on your computer where your zip file is saved, select it, then click Open or press Enter. Wait for the upload to finish. This may take a bit of time, especially if the file is large or your internet connection is slow. Be sure not to close the page while it's uploading. Once the upload is complete, review everything one more time. Your title, subtitle, price, description, and file. When you're satisfied, click Publish at the bottom right. The page will reload, and you should see a confirmation message at the top, letting you know your digital product is now live and ready to sell. That's all you need to start selling your compressed software zip file on Stan Store.